DIYers, hey, what's going on, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel? Thank you for watching. We're talking boats today, outboard engines specifically. And in the event that your outboard engine is not trimming down or up, we are going to talk about the fuse or relay in our case. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, I've made my way to my parents, and on the back portion of their Harris pontoon is a 40 horsepower 3-cylinder Mariner outboard. And coming down to the electric trim, which is on our outboard. And as you can see, nothing. You hear the clicking, but nothing. And that is because I have disconnected the relay and electrical connection box, as you see right there. And what I recommend doing is coming in on the back side of the actual switch. Again, coming out, there's the switch. Coming in and carefully following the wires on the back side. And where they go is basically all the way down, around, and into these relays. In addition, one wire goes up to our starter assist connection, which shops can hook up a starter to bypass the actual starter and ignition, and basically just push a button when it's connected and start the engine from standing right here. However, coming back to the relays, again, on the right hand side, I have carefully disconnected this relay, and once you disconnect yours, just carefully inspect the electrical leads and check for corrosion. And DIYers, long story short, in the event that your outboard is many years old like this one, well, if that little rubber seal gave way and allowed moisture into the relay over the years, chances are it has faulted and shorted out and causing your malfunction of the trim. And again, carefully push down. I've got this one connected and basically pushing in as shown there, and pushing the bottom half of the housing down. And that is what this is right here. And I'm going to carefully realign it, properly seat the rubber seal all the way around and push up. It might even be easier to remove what this looks like an 8mm or 1/4 inch, and you can pull this whole relay out and closer to you. Just be careful, don't damage any wiring. Align it properly and connect it. As you see there, double checking everything. And again, our trim works. I just was basically showing you what could go wrong, and now let's see if it works. As you see. So again, check the overall condition of your relays or fuses, as well as all of the electrical wiring feeding in and out of all parts related to your electric trim. Next, I've made my way onto the boat and into the captain's seat, and directing our attention to the shift lever, as you see right here, and trimming up, trimming down. And DIYers, in the event that this malfunctions, scrolling above right now as well as down below in the comments and description will be a link on how to properly and safely replace the trim switch to get your trim system working as designed.